ready to draw the cutest kitty ever? Grab your pencils, markers, or crayons, and let's get started. Start by drawing the kitty's face with a big circle. Did you know kitties use their face to show how they're feeling? If their ears are up, they're super happy. Next, add a cute little ribbon on the kitty's head. Make it look fancy. Kitties love to dress up, don't you think? Draw 2 pointy triangles on top of the head for the ears. Did you know cats can hear super well, even tiny sounds? That's because of their amazing ears. Give your kitty a face with 2 big round eyes. A tiny round nose, and whiskers. Kitties use their whiskers to feel their way around. Cool, right? Add a big oval for the tummy. Add a little legs and 2 paws for the hands. Finally, color your cute kitty. You can make it red, yellow, or pink. Did you know every kitty's fur pattern is unique? Just like a snowflake. Bye for now. See you next time.